Question 351. How do you approach troubleshooting issues that arise during collaborative projects? My approach to troubleshooting involves a structured methodology. First, I gather information by consulting affected team members to understand the problem's context. I encourage open dialogue and create an environment where individuals feel comfortable sharing their observations. Next, I analyze the issue, using tools like root cause analysis to identify underlying factors. Collaboratively brainstorming solutions fosters ownership and encourages diverse input. I then implement the chosen solution, ensuring clear communication throughout the process. After resolving the issue, I document the findings and lessons learned, sharing them with the team to prevent future occurrences and improve overall collaboration. Question 352. What strategies do you employ to foster a culture of continuous improvement within the team? To foster a culture of continuous improvement, I implement regular retrospectives to reflect on team processes and outcomes. I encourage team members to share both successes and areas for improvement openly. Creating a safe environment for feedback is essential. I promote the idea that all suggestions are valuable, irrespective of hierarchy. I also establish clear metrics for success, allowing the team to measure progress against goals. Offering opportunities for professional development, such as workshops or training sessions, empowers team members to enhance their skills. Celebrating incremental improvements reinforces the notion that continuous growth is part of our team's ethos. Question 353. How do you ensure that your facilitation techniques are effective for remote teams? Ensuring effective facilitation for remote teams requires adapting traditional techniques to a virtual environment. I prioritize using video conferencing tools to maintain personal connections and encourage active participation. Utilizing collaborative platforms like Miro or Google Docs allows for real-time brainstorming and input. I establish clear agendas for meetings, ensuring everyone knows what to expect and can prepare accordingly. To boost engagement, I incorporate interactive elements, such as polls or breakout rooms for smaller discussions. Regular check-ins foster a sense of community and accountability, ensuring that team members remain connected and engaged despite physical distance. Question 354. How do you balance the need for structure in collaborative work with the flexibility that teams often require? Balancing structure and flexibility involves setting clear guidelines while allowing room for adaptability. I establish foundational processes, such as regular check-ins and defined roles, to create a stable framework for collaboration. However, I also encourage teams to experiment with these structures and adapt them as needed. By fostering an environment where feedback is valued, teams can identify what works best for them. I promote agile methodologies, emphasizing iterative progress and responsiveness to change. Ultimately, this balance empowers teams to thrive within a supportive structure while remaining agile and innovative in their approach. Question 355. What role does feedback play in your facilitation process, and how do you solicit it from team members? Feedback is integral to my facilitation process, as it drives improvement and enhances team dynamics. I regularly solicit feedback through informal check-ins, anonymous surveys, and structured retrospectives. These methods allow team members to express their thoughts on collaboration and facilitation openly. I emphasize the importance of constructive feedback, guiding team members on how to provide actionable insights. By actively incorporating feedback into our processes, I demonstrate that team input is valued and impactful. This practice fosters a culture of trust, encouraging ongoing dialogue and continuous enhancement of our collaborative efforts. Question 356. How do you incorporate diversity and inclusion principles into your facilitation practices? Incorporating diversity and inclusion principles involves actively promoting diverse perspectives and ensuring equitable participation. I facilitate discussions that encourage team members to share their unique viewpoints and experiences. Establishing guidelines for respectful communication is essential, helping to create a safe space for all voices. I also implement training sessions on unconscious bias and cultural competency, raising awareness of the importance of inclusivity. By using various collaboration tools that cater to different communication styles, I ensure that all team members can contribute effectively. Celebrating diverse contributions reinforces the value of inclusion within the team. Question 357. Can you discuss how you handle differing opinions on project direction among team members? When faced with differing opinions on project direction, I facilitate a structured discussion, allowing each team member to articulate their perspective. I encourage active listening, ensuring that everyone feels heard and respected. Next, I guide the team in identifying common goals and objectives, fostering collaboration around shared interests. Utilizing techniques such as pros and cons analysis can help clarify the implications of each viewpoint. I may also suggest a trial period for competing ideas, allowing the team to test approaches before making a final decision. This collaborative approach often leads to consensus and strengthens team cohesion. Question 358. What are the essential skills you believe a collective work facilitator should possess, and why? Essential skills for a collective work facilitator include strong communication, active listening, and conflict resolution. Effective communication fosters clarity and ensures all members are aligned. Active listening builds trust and encourages open dialogue, while conflict resolution skills are vital for addressing disagreements constructively. Additionally, adaptability is crucial, as facilitators must adjust their approaches based on team dynamics. Organizational skills help in managing multiple responsibilities, while emotional intelligence enables understanding of team members' needs. Finally, familiarity with collaborative tools and methodologies enhances the facilitator's ability to guide teams effectively, ultimately driving successful project outcomes. Question 359. How do you facilitate effective communication among team members who work in different locations and time zones? To enhance communication across diverse teams, I implement asynchronous tools like Slack and Trello to keep discussions organized. Regular video check-ins can also be scheduled at overlapping hours. I encourage documenting discussions and decisions in shared spaces, ensuring everyone has access to important information regardless of location. Establishing clear communication norms and fostering a culture of openness helps overcome barriers and builds trust, making it easier for team members to collaborate effectively despite geographical differences. Question 360. What strategies do you employ to mediate conflicts in a collaborative environment? Conflict mediation starts with active listening to understand differing perspectives. I facilitate a safe space for open dialogue, encouraging team members to express their concerns. By focusing on common goals and values, I guide the team towards finding mutually agreeable solutions. I also emphasize the importance of empathy and respect, helping team members see the situation from each other's viewpoints. Following resolution, I encourage reflection on the conflict to identify lessons learned and improve future interactions, thus fostering a more cohesive team dynamic. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.